Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT for your social media. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is open up your browser, type in chatgpt.com. And right afterwards, once you have accessed it, you're simply gonna find this kind of interface. And the first thing you're gonna see right away is content calendar for TikTok itself. So ChatGPT can actually help you for your social media content, popular hashtags, so make your more views on your particular video or reels, and the method for you to actually post on timelines and what kind of content which actually will be popular. All those kind of details your ChatGPT can provide. All you gotta do is simply go ahead, type on it, provide your profile's content regarding what you would like, if you're an influencer, about the beauty content or the marketing strategies, or if you want to simply sell a skill, you can simply type it in and simply ask ChatGPT to how to market it or make your video viral. How do I make me viral on TikTok or Instagram? Anything, you can write it down. It will simply give you the analytics of the audience and the content and even the script. You can even write a script for your content. So those are the ways ChatGPT can actually help you. So first of all, have a clear vision regarding what you want from ChatGPT regarding the sectors, and once you have done that, you will be able to use it for the social media purpose. So this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on our next video.